We'll guide you through how to use a USB OTG adapter or cable on an Android to connect your USB to go and transfer files. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful to do and we'll guide you through it step by step. So in this case, here is my OTG adapter here. Yours may be a cable or just a plug like this, it doesn't matter. You can see this side is USB and this side is USB-C. I'll link some down below if you're interested in getting one to Amazon as well. To get started, we need to go and plug this into the phone like so. And then what you can do is go and plug in the USB as well. You can see I've now gone and connected it like so. It says about opening up the file manager. You can if you want, or you can just press cancel there. And then what you can do is go and swipe up and go and find your file manager app. On this device here, it's called My Files, but if you just go and type in files, you should go and find the app and you can then tap on it. What you want to do is come to the main page here. You may need to go and press back if you're in your downloads. Scroll down into storage and you can go and see USB storage. So I can click there and I can then access it. To transfer files, I can tap on hold to select them and I can go and press move or copy. And then I can go and choose to be on my internal storage. I'll press move here and we can go and move them, and you can do vice versa to move them onto the USB as well with the OTG.